breakdown. All right, well, we made it here to St. Louis. We're at the Arch, the Gateway Arch.
Apparently different than the Golden Arches, which I stopped at last night.
He got confused. I think he was hungry. We're not sure. Maybe he thought I was hungry. Who knows?
You know.
Good looking out though. But we slept at Skeeter Mountain Rest Area last night, where we were woken up at 3 in the morning by a car alarm going off.
Perfect.
Right beside us. But other than that, all was well. Got a little cold.
A little. I woke up with icicles hanging out of my nose.
Well, it's only going to get worse.
We stopped and the temperature was 54 degrees.
Yeah, and he was used to 80 degrees.
Yeah, you know.
But
I like it warm.
we're going to hang out here in St. Louis for a little while. We're going to go eat at Sweetie Pies, which is some restaurant, some Southern soul food restaurant, which you can't go wrong with.
Well, they have a TV show on the Oprah Network.
All right.
I trust Oprah.
All right. I don't, but okay. So I guess we'll be updating you later. We're trying to make it all the way to South Dakota tonight. It's about 10 hours from here, so it's going to be a nice little drive the rest of the day.
And haul it on.
But we'll update you again either later today or probably tomorrow. It just depends on how driving goes. We'll see. All right, we're out.
Peace.